So Chris just rolled up. He said he had a challenge for Jeff, and he will be here. And I wanted to see what it was, and he was just like, "Yeah, I've tried it, whatever." So he's got this thing that like tenses your muscles. Did you talk about this at all?
No, there's like a nerve right here that if you like put this to it, your hands will just curl up.
Is this what like Jackass used to fuck with? Didn't they have something like this?
I don't know.
Well, either way, so he just tested it, and stupidly, we didn't have the camera out. And so we'll test it. I'll put a $100 bill on the ground, or do you have something? Okay. So he's got a $100 bill. I'll put it next to my brand new S15 subframe, which is probably the coolest thing I've ever bought for a car.
Is it?
I mean, that's a brand new S15 subframe from the dealer.
I honestly didn't even know you can buy a new subframe.
Exactly. That's why I'm here, to teach you that you can buy a new subframe. So he's got this weird...
This again, dude.
Yeah, but I mean, it's for the video.
It sucks.
Like, it doesn't hurt, though.
I don't know.
I think you need to get over what the feeling is, because it doesn't hurt you.
You ever, like, use those, like, shock pens or something?
Yeah.
And, like, once you get over that feeling, it's whatever?
Yeah, but
I feel like once you get over
stops.
this, but it's a lot harder to get over this than it is to get over that stupid
So this thing is
pen.
for, like, curing, like, back pain and stuff? All right. Yeah. So here's the machine. Here, all right. So this. All right.
Let's just show them an example. Just do it real quick.
All right. I'm at 4. Do you feel it?
I can feel it right here.
Okay. I'm at 5, or I'm at 3.
No, you want to go all the way to 5, then keep going up.
Well, it starts at 5.
Well, no, you go like that, and then you turn it up by that.
Oh.
Yeah. Just shut it off, please, please,
please.
Is
it bad though?
Please shut it off. Oh my God, it's terrible.
Okay, now you gotta try to grab the fucking. So wait, here's what I don't get though. It's on 5, so that's the strongest.
Yeah, well 5, and then you crank it up. Yeah.
But it never moved. Watch. Whoop, sorry.
Well, no, you go to.
Hold on.
No.
Sorry.
You can hit that.
All right, now watch it though. It doesn't go up. Yes, it does. Okay. Okay. Get close to it. Like kneel in front of it.
No, you can't kneel.
No, I'm saying you kneel in front of the bill, just so because this isn't the real test.
I think I can grab it though.
Okay, so
it's just gonna suck.
You can't start until it's at the top level. All right, ready? Go. Try to grab it.
Okay, shut up, please. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude, it hurts so bad.
So it hurts.
No, it hurts. It literally hurts. Ow.
This thing is so weird.
Ow,
Try to put it on your neck.
No, fuck no.
We'll try it with like a lower volume. Put it somewhere else.
Fuck no, I'm done. Look up where different nerves are.
Hold on, I'm gonna put it on 1. Showed up. You ready? You wanna make 20 bucks?
I don't know.
Come here.
It's fun, dude.
Take your jacket off.
What do you mean, come here?
Take your jacket off.
Take your clothes off.
Take your hoodie off too. Just do what the fuck you're told, guy.
I'm freaked out now.
Alright.
So what do you think? 10 or 15 seconds and he has to pick up this?
Yeah.
Yeah, for 20 bucks.
Wait, what?
You have to wait 10 seconds and then pick this up. If you can pick it up, you get 20 bucks.
Right now?
No, we'll tell you when.
No, you have to tell me what the fuck's happening
first.
No. Oh yeah, look at this. Fuck you guys.
Try it.
Open
Wait, what?
Come over.
Open what?
Open your hands.
Keep them all the way open.
What? Because I won't be able to close.
So 10.
No, you won't be able to open them.
10.
Nah, I can't do it.
So you have 10 seconds.
Just try it. It doesn't hurt. And you can just unplug it.
If you want to bail, I will shut it off.
Does it hurt?
No.
If you want to bail,
it's uncomfortable.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Wait 10 seconds.
Look at my fingers.
All right, let him try to pick it up.
I could do it.
Oh man.
Oh, it's not even. It's getting not as bad.
Oh, so he can fight it. That doesn't bother
why does it only do those?
Look at that. Oh, that's so weird.
That doesn't bother you?
Not really.
Oh my God.
Is it weird like when you get tattooed there and you feel shit in other places and stuff?
All right, cut it. Fuck.
You just won
It's
40
fucking
bucks though.
weird. Oh shit.
In door number 1, we have Chris, the Ricer Fucktard, Rudnick. Insert clapping here.
Just did.
What are you doing to this piece of shit garbage?
Wow, first I gotta take the AC condenser out. I gotta get all the bullshit off, which sucks because it's kind of rusty.
Kinda rusty, he says.
Dude, it's fucking from New England.
You'd be lucky to even have some fucking links left. These lateral links. Look at the brake lines are gonna rot through soon.
You keep talking shit, but it's gonna be the fastest car here.
Challenge. Who did this job? Oh my goodness.
What? The oil pan? Probably
What? No, what?
What are you talking about? What?
Who welded a weird bracket onto this and welded it to...
Nothing?
No, it's welded to the motor mount.
Well,
Those are Rudnick welds.
no, I'm better than that.
You think so?
Yeah, definitely.
Dude, this thing leaks everything. What's this? Oil pan?
Great. That was scary. Ugh.
This thing's junk.
It doesn't matter because it's gonna be the fastest car here.
Yeah. You'll be the only idiot willing to go fast in it.
I learned from Dan, dude. Build junk and get somewhere in your life. He still drives a Ford Ranger, but it's alright.
Did he build it or is it just
No,
junk?
let's build some shit. He bought my Ford that he was gonna put like some fucking, I don't even know what he was gonna put in it. But it never happened. But I'm taking Dan's job here.
Is that a moth?
Where? Right here? It's a leaf.
Dude, what happened here? Did the dog chew on your bumper?
Like I said, bullet holes in the hood.
There's bullet holes?
Yeah, remember the rust spots? Bullet holes in the hood.
Those are not bullet holes, those are rust holes.
Pit bulls fucking tearing your shit up.
This is a hood-ass Civic.
It's a hood-ass Civic.
You should name it the hood-ass Civic. It's way better than the right
I'm gonna get a banner.
hood-ass Civic.
Hood-ass Civic. And
Look
then
at this.
on the side, hell yeah.
Hell yeah, this thing's hood as fuck. This thing's junk, dude.
It's gonna be real hood. When
Can I break this off?
Stop.
What?
Let me have my fun. You never let me have fun when I get my junk.
Take this out.
Just leave me alone. I'll take it out.
This thing's
Let me do my
junk, dude.
This is what I deal with every day. If I bring a not perfect car here, he just runs around like junk. Let me have my fun, dude. Let me have my fun.
Fucking junk.
You know, I was having fun working on it until you started making fun of it.
Not making fun of it. I'm just calling it as I
No,
see
you're
it.
making fun of it.
This thing is junk.
Race me.
Right now?
No.
Come on.
No. Yeah, race me in your fucking cars that don't run.
Well,
Yeah.
how about I race you in the ones that do?
Which one?
Tell me if you want to race, and we'll put $1,000 down.
You're an idiot.
Do you want to put $1,000 down?
No, not with my 111 wheel.
Well, you're the one talking shit. Now you don't want to put $1,000 down because none of my shit runs. It will go right now. 1,000.
These are fucking shot.
Hood ass Civic. Over here, the new mic. I'm filming 2 videos at the same time. While this guy breaks every clip in his car.
What?
Dude, wait. How did you decharge the AC system?
I brought it to a place and they fucking decharged it.
Who? Which one? I need to know one because I never do it correctly. And
I'll tell you off camera. It's a guy that I know that does it for cheap.
In his backyard? Into the environment?
He puts up the machine. He hooks it up. Drains
So
it
there's
out.
no green shit on the floor?
Nope.
What's that?
Coolant.
Oh, that's fucking bright. Cool.
I mean, I use the good shit, you know?
I don't think the greener it is, the better it
I
is.
use that good.
Are you taking the rusted cruise control out or the rusted
Trying over here. I'm trying.
AC condenser? Are you thinking about taking out these
I've
stupid...
been working for 20 minutes. Look at my hands.
Dude, I'm not worried about the dirt, but look at that
Dude,
crackage.
I don't need
Look at his
lotion.
hand, Jeff.
I don't need fucking lotion.
How many girls...
Shut the fuck up, Volkswagen. I got
Girl lets you touch her.
Oh, Jeff, you do it.
Oh, this is worse.
My hands don't look worse than yours.
I've been working because I'm not a
Look at how
asshole.
like cracked. They look like they're about to split and like bleed.
Got working hands, man.
No, you have dry hands.
Got working hands.
Because you don't drink any water.
Look
I
at
drink
When was the
water.
last time
I
you had
had
a sip of water?
3 cups today.
Look at this FPS pick.
No,
Bam,
that's
bam.
junk password JDM knockoff.
Crap, you missed that one.
JDM
It's
password.
It's password JDM with an E.
This thing is a piece of shit.
Where the fuck's your
That's
car?
not even.
Where is your car? You
at the
don't
other
talk
shop.
shit unless you have a fucking car.
It's at the
Who
other
picks
shop.
you up every morning, huh? Him. Yeah. Sit the fuck down, bitch. Ah, what a bitch.
Now you feel bad, dude.
No, I don't feel bad for him.
Let me fix this.
No, stop, dude.
Jeff, start unplugging shit. It's so fun to do.
Jeff, you want-
Unplug like his injectors. Hey, don't hit my employee.
Oh, shit. I don't give a fuck about either of you. I'll fucking rock both of you.
Is that true?
Yeah.
That's absolutely false.
Get the hell out. I just want to work, okay? Let me work. I don't
chill.
do this often. I don't do this often, so let me do it. You guys are all annoying.
Give me a razor blade.
All I want to do is work on my Civic.
Don't fuck with my employee.
I hate your
Dude,
fucking.
one time he was working on his LS car and I just started unplugging shit and dude, I had like a whole engine harness out in like 5 minutes. It was good. So anyway, what are you gonna do with this fucking thing? Why don't you tell the camera?
Can I get back to work, please?
Give him a little intro.
You know, I was gonna do all the bullshit because no one wants to see this.
I want to see it.
Then you.
This is why I watch YouTube, to see people take out things that are supposed to be in cars.
Like ACs in Connecticut, you don't need that shit.
ACs, cruise controls.
You don't need any of that.
TPSs. You don't need any of
you
this.
need that.
These things.
No, I need that. That's sick.
This. I don't know
No,
why this is still on.
You don't. Jeff.
Drill holes in his Swiss cheese box, that thing. What do you know about being a racer?
Marcus knows about drilling holes into his
Look at
fucking
this.
exhaust.
This is torqued down to spec.
I was about drilling holes into your fucking rear quarter too.
Oh! You gonna have him come with fenders on this?
This is supposed to be like a turbo build, and this is just pick on Rudnick.
Oh, is that what we're doing here?
Yeah.
Why don't you tell the camera?
Can you
I already
fly
did
Marcus in to roll your fenders?
Marcus is here. I think he's coming up.
Oh, good.
So we can roll these fenders.
He's gonna use his fender roller.
Yeah, no.
And his terrible
I'll
skills.
I'll roll my fenders. It's like I was a little lazy to do it, and I highly regret it. Highly regret it. I'm not lazy no more. I'll do it. I'll do
You
it.
think he learned his lesson, or you think in a year he'll have
Yeah, he'll
do it
some
again.
shit?
All right, no car. Watch it.
He has a truck.
Just wait.
That doesn't run.
Is gonna kick this car's ass.
I'll bet money on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Nitrous, turbo, everything.
More than you could have felt.
What does that mean?
Wait, what?
You're gonna nitrous. You're gonna nitrous and turbo this?
Shit, that wasn't supposed to be said. From Florida to Connecticut, here we are. Look at this dude. He's full of smiles today. You're all smiley, huh?
Hi, it's cold.
What's going on, dude? You used to this weather?
Fuck no. Hold
Why
on,
not?
What's up, bud?
What's going on, bud? You ready to make some power tonight?
Yeah, I know.
You ready to build some
On
shit?
a Honda?
You ready to build some shit?
Sure.
You know who that is?
No.
Come on, you know who that is.
Fucking
Dan the man, dude.
Oh.
Dan the man.
This dude's so busy. Look at this
Tomorrow.
businessman. He moves to Florida. He has no time for us.
Fake. Fake friends. That's fake friends.
Look at this guy.
Look at that.
All right, Saturday then.
Saturday.
All right, bye.
What is this, a drug deal?
No, it's
No,
Kyle.
Fucking,
Jesus Christ.
All right, let's go.
It's his Tinder dates. It's his Tinder dates. He's got a.
This is what I call an idiot asshole. What are you doing?
Dude, the bad kind of Civic owner owned this fucking thing, so I'm
Someone
trying to...
like you.
No, dude, I'm trying to fix her. You see all these booger welds? You already showed it.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this thing off. I don't want to snap the other bolt because it's holding up
Dude,
the...
take the manifold off the head and drop the whole exhaust in one piece.
You can't without taking this off.
So just cut it right here.
I was doing that, but I had to cut the studs because this was bottoming out.
Because
have
you need to go to bearskin. Come on, you look like a hanger with it. No,
What
don't
are
take your shirt off.
Where are we going bare skin?
Take your jacket
Take
off.
the jacket off!
You look like a hanger
Your
with a
nipples
lo-
are
oh.
hard as fuck,
Oh, that's
dude.
why he's got that. You don't take your whole shirt off.
Dude, you are skin and
All right,
bones,
roll your
guys.
sleeves all the way up. Oh my! Have you ever been able to roll your sleeve up that high? No one has ever rolled their sleeve up that high. All right, get the other one up too.
Will, how much do you weigh? 90
30?
pounds?
Not a lot.
Wait, go
Come
like
on,
this.
go like this.
This might kill him.
Dude, all
No,
right.
he's joking.
Come on, what is
It's a
that?
stim machine. All right,
Then
ready?
crank it up. Hands
Here we go.
open, hands
Hands
open.
open. Keep your hands up, bitch. Open your hands.
I can't. I got cerebral palsy. I can't.
Do you feel uncomfortable?
Yeah.
Rudnick, he lasts longer than you.
Open them.
This is the strangest thing I've ever seen. Does that hurt, Will?
I mean, no, I'm like used to it because like I used to do this like. for
Shut
fun.
now. Close your hand. It just like curled. Oh my god! So as time goes on, do
the
you?
longer you have it on, the
Like
easier
you
it
get
gets.
used to it. Yeah.
All right, hold on now,
This
hold
one's
on.
real tense.
All right, no. So that one's good, bad?
This one was
All right, let me
fucking
see if
hard
it's
as
a
shit.
location then. Is this worse now?
Oh, yes.
He like hooks it off. All right, hold on.
That's bad when you get like right
Let's
there.
try it higher. Let's try it
No.
right there. Just one.
It gets worse and
Just
worse.
one. All right, ready?
Yeah. All right, that hurts.
That's gross.
That hurts.
That makes me like sick. See,
That one hurts.
Jeff, try it on your wrist.
That one's
Try it
like
on your wrist.
sharpshooting pain. That one.
All right, ready? Yeah.
Oh my god!
Is it that bad?
No.
Once you feel it,
feels
it's
like
over.
pins and needles.
Marcus, you try it. I want to smack.
Don't wait. Hold on. Don't go full. I don't think you have
I
to
won't
go
go full.
power.
I'll go
Go
a
medium.
level up. I'll go one level up. That's full.
Oh, look at this.
That's full. That's full. Do it on your neck.
No, I'm all set. Dude. Oh no, that's weird. That's weird, dude. That's weird.
Let's put it on.
All right, guys. So I know there's been a lot of fuckery in this video, but I did get a lot done. I was trying not to film like most of his bullshit because it's kind of boring. What we did was we took the header off, we took the full exhaust off, took the radiator out, AC condenser, the air box, and pretty much everything just to get out of the way. The only thing that I didn't do is take the cruise control out, but honestly, there's just no point. I mean, if I can leave it in, I'll probably just leave it in anyways. One, because I don't want to take it out, and two, cruise control. And now we are gonna get started on this turbo build. Are you ready for this?
Dude,
you
hold
think
on.
we're driving tonight?
Hold on.
What the hell is he doing?
We're driving tonight.
We're driving tonight. So sadly, it's gonna be next video for you guys because this video is already so long. I just edited it up. I think it's personally funny, and I think you guys will get a kick out of it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to subscribe for more? Subscribe for more. When you watch this video, just know that we are working on getting this car turboed and ready to spool. So like I said, thumbs up. See you tomorrow. Peace out.